National Pollution Prevention Day is observed on 2nd December in India. This day is observed in the memory of people who lost their lives in Bhopal gas calamity. Bhopal gas tragedy occurred in the year 1984 on the night of 2nd or 3rd December. Many people died due to poisonous gas methyl isocyanate, also known as MIC. Bhopal gas tragedy is considered as one of biggest industrial pollution disasters. Objectives of the day: to spread awareness on managing and controlling industrial disasters, to prevent the pollution produced by industrial processes or human negligence, to make people and industries aware about the importance of pollution control acts, preventive methods taken by the Indian legislation. Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act of 1974, Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act of 1977, Air Prevention and Control of Pollution Act of 1981, Environment Protection Act of 1986, Environment Protection Rules of 1986, Storage and Import of Hazardous Chemical Rules of 1989, Manufacture, Storage, Import, Export and Storage of hazardous microorganisms, genetically engineered organisms or cell rules of 1989, chemical accidents, emergency planning, preparedness and responses. Rules of 1996, biomedical waste management and handling. Rules of 1998, recycled plastics manufacture and uses. Rules of 1999, ozone depleting substances regulation. Rules of 2000, noise pollution regulation and control. Rules of 2000, municipal solid waste management and handling. Rules of 2000, batteries management and handling. Rules of 2001, environment impact assessment notification of 2006. The National Green Tribunal Act 2010, solid waste management rules. 2016, hazardous and other wastes management and transboundary movements rules. 2016, biomedical waste management rules. 2016, plastic waste management rules. 2016, e-waste management rules. 2016, construction and demolition waste management rules. 2016, due to different types of pollution, natural resources such as water, air, land or forests are being affected speedily. Thus, it is very essential to implement the rules and regulations properly to protect the environment and to reduce the pollution. The Central Pollution Control Board was constituted in September 1974 under the Water Act 1974. Further, CPCB was entrusted with the power and functions under the Air Act 1981. It provides technical guidance to the Ministry of Environment, Forests and Climate Change, Government of India. Functions of CPCB: to promote cleanliness of streams and wells in different areas of the states by prevention, control and abatement of water pollution. To improve the quality of air and to prevent, control or abate air pollution in the country. Facts about air pollution. 9 out of 10 people worldwide do not breathe safer air. Air pollution kills 7 million people every year globally, 4 million of whom die from indoor air pollution. A microscopic pollutant is so tiny that it can pass through mucous membrane and other protective barriers to damage lungs, hearts and brain. The key pollutants include particulate matter, a mix of solid and liquid droplets arising from fuel combustion, nitrogen dioxide from road traffic, ozone at ground level caused by the reaction of sunlight with pollutants with industrial facilities and vehicle emission, and sulfur dioxide, an invisible gas from burning fossil fuels like coal. Children and old persons are highly affected by air pollution. Air pollution is also responsible for climate change. Ways to limit breathing polluted air. Limit walking on busy streets during rush hours, and if you have a young child with you, try and lift them up above the level of vehicle exhaust. Don't burn waste as the smoke that result damages the health. Promote use of renewable energy. Enhance plantations such as urban forests and green roofs for reducing pollution in urban areas. Turn off lights and electronics not in use. Thank you.